Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia G22 and let me share with you how to set or how to basically change the video resolution on this device. So first of all we have to enter the camera app and here let's first of all change to the video mode. As you can see, if you can see this red dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can unroll the top bar so open more options just by tapping on this icon more in the left upper corner, and as you can see right here we've got two options which are connected with the resolution. Currently we've got 1080p option applied with 30 frames per second, and all we can set is the 720p with 30 frames per second also. So basically all you can do is to simply tap on the other option and we just got back to the camera, to the video mode, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution to record the video, so it has been immediately applied. Of course it's up to you which option you'd like to use, however I highly recommend to use this one as it is the best possible here. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Nokia G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.